Hi everyone, welcome to SAP World. In this video we will learn how to create and post recurring documents in SAP FICO. What is a recurring document? Recurring entries are business transactions that are repeated regularly, for example rental payments or insurance premiums. The process of recurring documents automates the monthly payments with a fixed run schedule. In order to post this type of transactions, we can use this recurring document functionality. The system uses the recurring entry original document that you enter as a reference. It is not an accounting document and therefore does not affect the account balance. The GL balances are updated when the accounting documents are posted using the recurring documents by running the recurring cycle. For create recurring document we need to create some GL accounts. Entity code FS00. Click on Expenses. Click on Rent Account. Click Copy Reference. Update available GL number. Short text and long text LIC premium account. Only change the text, remaining all keep the same. Click on Save. For creating recurring document we need 3 GL accounts. Rent account, LIC premium account, HDFC bank account. By using this GL accounts we will create recurring document. Before create recurring document we have to define number range intervals for recurring document. Define number range intervals T code FBD1. Update company code. Click on Intervals. Click on Create number range intervals. Number range X1. Year 2023. 1200 to 1400. Click on Save. Next, create recurring document T code FBD1. Select first run 1 for 2023. Last run 31/03/2024. Next, select intervals in months. Here we can choose recurring cycle for every month, every 2 months and every 3 months. Defend our client requirement. I am selecting 01 for every month. Next, click on Transfer amounts in local currency. Document type essay. Give document header text. Posting key 40. Select rent account. You can see the warn message because I given past date system in first run. Select amount for monthly premium. Next, business area. Enter posting related text. Select posting key 50. Select HDFC bank account. In amount field give star. Next, business area. In text field give plus. Click on Save. Document was stored in company code time. Create one more document for LIC Premium account. Update first run and last run. Select intervals in months. Next, click on Transfer amounts in local currency. Document type essay. Give document header text. Posting key 40. Select LIC Premium account. Ignore the error, click Enter. Enter amount. Business area. Enter text posting related. Posting key 50. Select HDFC bank account. In amount field, give star. Next, business area. In text field, give plus. Click on Save. Document was stored in company code time. Next, display recurring documents T code F.15. Update company code. Click on Execute. We have two recurring documents for rent and LIC. And running intervals in months 0. Post document using by recurring document T code F.14. Enter company code. Enter document number. In real time we have lot of recurring documents, so I am selecting one to all. Select fiscal year 2023 and 2024. Next, select settlement period. First run and last run. Update your batch input session name. You can give any name or number. Click on Execute. Session was created. Next, go to batch input session T code SM35. We will go through path. Go to System. Select Services. Select Batch Input. Select Sessions. Select Session Time 01. Click on Process. Select Display Error Only. Click on Process. Processing of batch input session completed. Click Exit Batch Input. Next, display GL balances T code FBL3N. Select GL accounts. Rent account and LIC Premium account. Change open items date as first run date. Click on Execute. First recurring document run has completed successfully. We has posted two documents. First interval 010 for 2023 has updated. Post one more document. Select New Session. For posting recurring document T code F.14. Select company code. Select document number range. Select fiscal year. Select settlement period. Update batch input name. Click on Execute. Session was created. Go to Batch Input Sessions T-code SM35. Select Session Name. Click on Process. Select Display Errors Only. Click on Process. Click on Exit Batch Input. Shift to Previous Window. Click on Back Arrow. Change the Open Items date as Second Run Date. Click on Execute. Second Run also updated successfully with document date 01/05/2023. Next, display recurring documents T-code F.15. Update company code. Click on Execute. We can see here running intervals number in months too. We have posted recurring documents for 2 months from the first run date. Next, change recurring document T-code FBD2. Select recurring document number. Click Enter. Select first line item. Change the amount. Click on back arrow. Select second line item. Change the amount. Click on back arrow. Click on Save. For example, middle of the settlement period rental agreement has changed and increased. From the next run the changes will affect on GL balances. Like this we can change the recurring document. Next, delete recurring document T-code F.15. Update company code. Give document number which you want to delete. Select fiscal year. Click Test Run and click Execute. List contains no data. We have to do some settings in T-code FBD2. Before delete the document in F.56. Select New Session. Enter T-code FBD2. Select recurring document number. Click Enter. From menu click on Go to. Click on Recurring Data Entry. Select Deletion Indicator. Click on Save. Shift to previous window F.56. Select Test Run. Click on Execute. Now we can see the data for selected document. Click on back arrow. Remove Test Run. Click on Execute. Click on Yes. Click on back arrow. Try Execute again. Document already deleted. Go to FBD2. Click on Enter. Document number 1202 does not exist in fiscal year 2023. Document number 1202 permanently deleted from the system. In this video we have learnt how to create, edit and delete recurring documents in SAP. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.